Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Equipment Remarketing. I'm going to show you a nice video here of this 2002 Moffett M5500 sitting here with 1,390 hours. She has a 10-foot mast. This thing has been completely refurbished and repainted. Now, we've gone in here and given a thorough paint job. What we did first is we take the cage off. You can see the new bolts here. This diamond plating, the seat, many of the easily removable parts, the battery cover. We go ahead and remove all that so that we can prime it, clean it, prime it, give everything a good paint job, and then put it back together. Look how nice and shiny it is. This thing is really standing tall. The seat's in great shape here. Take a look there. I'm going to show you the engine compartment. There's your oil looking nice and good. Got your temperature gauge. We go back here. We've changed your main fluids. Date coded your filter so you can hit the ground running. You know how many hours you can go before you fire it up and go ahead and take care of the oil later on. But right now you can hit the ground running. Look how clean this engine bay is. It has a V28131 long-lasting engine, very good Kubota engine there. Also go in if we find anything wrong with it, such as leaking hoses, bad cylinders that are leaking, or pins, bushings, mass bearings, chains, anything of that manner. Hydraulic motors, hydraulic pumps, see evidence of new hoses there. Anything we find broken, we go ahead and fix. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go ahead and fire it up, show you how well she runs. Hear that Kubota come to life. Now, we're going to show you the outriggers, show you the mast going up and down. We have tilt and side shift. We also have the mast carriage going in and out. Everything's nice and tight. Now we're going to just go back and forth, steer a little bit here, show you how nice it runs. Backup alarm's working. Got your light working on top here. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you can give us a call at 260-238-4998. With the refurbished process I've told you about, we can go ahead and give you an operation guarantee. You can buy this thing based on the video you've seen here today. We're going to guarantee when it gets there, it's going to be like we've said. We're going to help you out, get it fixed. The engine, we'll go ahead and warranty it for 30 days. So the operational is just when it shows up. Very long, very short term. We go ahead on the engine, give you another 30 days on that. You can buy this thing online, touch free if you want to. Take a look at the beautiful new rubber on front here. Let's go around with just one more pass. Man, this thing's shiny. New back rubber as well. 260-238-4998. Check us on the web, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com. Thank you.